Take some pictures clearly. Take some pictures clearly. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive. She is almost done with her work. She is almost done with her work. She brings flowers for her. She brings flowers for her. She can mop the floor. She can mop the floor. I can do the laundry. I can do the laundry. I can iron my clothes. I can iron my clothes. He loves his motorbike. He loves his motorbike. Let's deliver the food quickly. Let's deliver the food quickly. I wake up early. I wake up early. Please close the door. Please close the door. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. We are getting late. We are getting late. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. Open the window slowly. Open the window slowly. Wash your hands properly. Wash your hands properly. I am ready now. Call me later, please. Call me later, please. They are playing outside. They are playing outside. It is very cold today. It is very cold today. Bring me some water. Bring me some water. I am going home. I am going home. She is watching TV. She is watching TV. We have a meeting today. We have a meeting today. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I will try again. I will try again.